Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the likes on a YouTube video on your PC. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Content. Navigate to the Content section, where you can manage and edit your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select a video. Choose the specific video for which you want to disable the likes. Step 4. Click on Details. Once you've selected the video, click on the Details tab to access its settings and information. Step 5. Click on Show More. Scroll down the page and click on the Show More option to reveal additional settings. Step 6. Scroll down to Show how many viewers like this video. Locate this option and click on the checkbox next to it to disable the likes. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the likes on your YouTube video, providing a different viewing experience for your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.